Welcome. In this scenario, we'll see how an insurance company leverages SharinPix and Salesforce to handle a storm damage claim for Green Valley residents, moving effortlessly from form creation to a branded PDF report. Before configuring the inspection form, the admin opens the SharinPix Support tab and asks the SharinPix Document Assistant how to configure a form. Rather than searching manually through articles, the assistant instantly generates the relevant setup steps right inside Salesforce. From there, the admin can easily open the full SharinPix documentation to review the data model and get started with the form builder. To kickstart the process, the admin utilizes the Work with AI feature within the SharinPix form builder. They input a prompt detailing the requirements for a storm damage property inspection form, specifying the exact sections and data fields needed. Once the prompt is submitted, the AI immediately begins processing. The chat interface auto-scrolls, providing a real-time view as the AI structures the form. In just moments, the AI generates a comprehensive form base, complete with all requested sections, from customer details and roof inspection to interactive elements like photos, sketch annotations, and final signatures. This provides the admin with a solid foundation to then quickly customize and deploy. Once the AI generates the initial form structure, the admin can easily refine it to meet specific requirements. The new form builder offers significant productivity improvements for these adjustments. For example, the admin can select multiple elements together. Let's say they want to reuse the roof condition and type of damage fields. They just select them, click Copy, and a confirmation appears that the elements are copied to the clipboard. The admin can navigate to the Interior Room Inspection section and paste those copied fields directly into the desired location. They can then quickly update the field labels to Room Condition rather than Roof Condition, adapting the AI's structure without having to rebuild the form from scratch. It's just as easy to reorder elements. The admin selects the entire roof inspection section, clicks Cut, and then moves it to a more logical place within the form's flow, pasting it above the affected area section. The form automatically updates, demonstrating how quickly admins can finalize complex inspection structures. Next, let's look at how to set up a dynamic sketch background. In our form, we have an inspection section that asks the user to define the property area. We want our drawing component to automatically display a roof plan if the area is the exterior, and an interior floor plan for all other areas. In the SharinPix form builder, the admin simply navigates to the inspection items section, drags a new draw element onto the canvas, and names it Item Location. To make it dynamic, the admin scrolls down to the background image URL property and pastes in a simple formula. Now, the form will automatically load the correct architectural diagram based on the inspector's previous selections. To ensure comprehensive data collection, we can configure forms to ask for further information based on specific responses. Let's look at how we capture mandatory comments when an inspection fails. In the form builder, the admin clicks on the Pass/Fail Inspection Result component. They drag a new text area onto the canvas right below it and label it Failed Comment. To keep the form clean, the admin goes to the Advanced tab and sets up conditional visibility. Now this comment box will only appear when the inspector actively selects Fail. To ensure this conditional data is easily accessible in Salesforce, the admin uses the Further Info tab to map the new comment directly to a specific Salesforce field on the answer record. As we can see in the builder, clicking Fail dynamically reveals the mapped question. Next, we configure our mobile capture options. The admin accesses the mobile app settings and enables the dual camera feature by selecting Both. This allows inspectors on-site to simultaneously capture a close-up of property damage alongside the wider room context. Finally, we need to generate our final report. The admin adds a fill PDF component and connects it to the insurance company's branded template URL. The form builder handles mapping all of our form's dynamic data points directly into the PDF fields. By checking the preview pane, the admin can immediately verify that the final generated document correctly applies the dynamic form data to the customer's branded layout. To speed up data entry for technicians on site, the admin can easily enable the Voice to Form feature. From the form builder, they start by navigating to the Details tab. Scrolling down through the general form properties, they locate the specific configuration settings for the mobile app. They simply check the box for Fill Form using Voice and select the target language. Now, inspectors can just tap their microphone in the field and dictate their findings. To ensure the final output aligns with the insurance company's corporate identity, the admin needs to apply custom branding. They start by adding a logo to the form's header. Next, they navigate to the Details tab to edit the overall form theme. They select a dark blue primary color to match the company's brand guidelines, which instantly updates the user interface elements. The admin can also apply specific styling to individual components. For the inspection results section, they select a distinct color scheme for the pass and fail options, improving visual clarity for the inspector in the field. Finally, this branding extends to the generated documents. The admin configures the background color for section titles, ensuring that the exported PDF report maintains the exact same professional, branded treatment as the form itself. Now let's see this in action. The field inspector opens the inspection form directly from the Salesforce mobile app. The form loads with the customer and property details already pre-filled. The inspector can seamlessly attach photos of the damage and annotate directly on the dynamic property sketch. The form's offline dataset capabilities allow the inspector to quickly select damage types and severity levels from predefined lists. They can also continue to add notes and annotations, such as marking the location of the interior damage. For repeated areas, like multiple damaged walls, the inspector can easily duplicate sections to maintain consistency and save time. They simply adjust the values for the new area, such as changing the damage type to water. Next, the inspector utilizes the Voice to Form feature. By simply tapping the microphone and speaking their findings, the form automatically transcribes the audio into structured text. With the inspection details recorded, the inspector selects Fail for the overall result. They then capture a final photo of the area and move to the customer confirmation section to sign off on the report. Before submitting, the inspector generates the branded PDF to review the final document. Once confirmed, they submit the form. The app processes the upload in the background, ensuring all evidence and data are securely synced back to Salesforce. A few days later, the claims manager reviews the completed inspection record in Salesforce. They can easily open the submitted form response to review all the structured data and field evidence captured by the technician. From this record, they can seamlessly access the branded PDF report. This document neatly compiles all the initial findings, including the failed inspection result, annotated sketches, and customer signatures. To facilitate a follow-up, the manager simply relaunches the original form response directly from Salesforce. The relaunched form opens with all previous answers perfectly preserved. The user only needs to update the changed items, such as adding a new comment, capturing a fresh signature, and updating the final result to Pass before submitting the reinspection. Back in Salesforce, a brand new form response record is instantly generated. Crucially, this new response includes a lookup field linking directly back to the original submission. This preserves a complete audit trail across inspections, allowing the team to clearly see the relationship and history between both submissions. To wrap up, let's quickly review the powerful capabilities we've walked through today. We started by accelerating our build process using the AI-powered setup assistant and work with AI generation, allowing us to generate and rapidly refine complex forms in record time. From there, we deployed a seamless Salesforce launch, empowering inspectors in the field with offline data readiness, robust mobile evidence capture, and hands-free voice-to-form dictation. We also saw how dynamic sketch backgrounds and smart logic ensure accurate data collection and secure signatures on site. Finally, all of this seamlessly tied together with custom branded styling and automated PDF generation. And with our relaunch and reinspection capabilities, your team maintains a perfect, unbroken audit trail from the first site visit to the final claim resolution.